Today, I'm going to show you how to build another low-cost, high-profit build. I've already sold 20 of these in the last couple of hours. And the only power tool you need is a drill. I'm just using a piece of scrap wood. This is a 2x4. You only need about 4 inches of this. So these are bee traps. They sell great in the springtime. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos.